Hey guys, we're back with another quick tutorial. Stay tuned. So here I have my Eco Styler gel and I have my Super Grow gel. I'm really only using the Eco Styler gel for her edges, and I'm mainly using the Super Grow gel for all over her hair to hold her hair down and for her braids. Her hair was already pre-moisturized with some oils. I washed her hair, I applied the oil, and I did a braid down, and then I took it down the next day. And now we're doing this protective style, which lasts about 7 to 10 days. So right here, I'm just taking a small section. The camera angle is really bad, but I'm just taking a small section, applying some gel on there, and I'm combing it out so it can be straight so I can go ahead and braid it. Here I'm taking my crochet hook and my beads. I'm going to put 4 beads per braid. Here I'm just making sure her edges are super slick. I'm actually brushing it off to the left side because I want her braids and beads to fall down the side versus falling to the back. I also did notice that I put the rubber band a little too tight, so I did go in and loosen that up for her so it was a little bit more comfortable. I know this isn't the best angle. I like to see those edges to be laid, but she really was not feeling well. So I had to work with her and I had to get out of my comfort zone for her to sit long enough for me to even lay down her edges. Her edges are definitely laid, but she was not feeling this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch y'all in our next video. Bye.